Okay, so hello guys. So welcome for another vlog. And today is May 1st. So it's Labor Day here in France. And it's holiday. So technically, red at tumawid ako. Kaya sila mama. So ayun, Paris is technically on pause. Pero enjoy pa din. Buhay pa din ng mga tao. So everyone is outside para maglakad-lakad. And syempre kami din. Teka lang. So ayun, so come with us. Walang itinerary today, pero we're planning to go to Chateau Vincennes. So ayun, magla-lunch lang kami. So let's go. Tita, happy Labor Day! Hello! Okay, so ayun, tapos na kaming kumain and andito kami ngayon sa Chateau de Vincennes. Yan. Sarado yata yung Chateau. Pero pwede nga pumasok dun sa compound. So since holiday nga today and May 1 is Labor Day here in France, this is one of the strictest and mandatory holiday dito. So everything is closed. Sarado yung mga shops, sarado yung mga museums. Although yung mga essentials like yung mga transportation, some restaurants and cafes are still open. So we're inside of the chateau. Yung weather today is very April 26. Not too hot, not too cold. It's just nice. So this is the billetterie. So ayan. So they're open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the ticket is 13, yung reduced price is 11.5. And then may mga list ng free admission available siya inside. So close siya, so hindi natin makikita. So as you can see, everything is translated in English and in Spanish. So hindi mahirap intindihan. So this is one of France's pressed medieval palace near Paris. Na-preserve nila yung area. Usually this is open to public. You can go inside the chateau and you can visit. That's the tower. And as you can see, ayan o, buong buo pa rin yung cobalt stone na daan. And this is the church. This is the chapel inside the chateau. Ayan sila. Hi!
Hi!
Okay, so ang tawag pala dyan is the keep. So, or donjon. So, ayan yung story niya. So, that's the keep. It's like a fortress.
Malalim! Grabe! Lalim niya! Ah!
So, ayan yung dito tayo pumasok. Here. Yan. And then, this is the church. Ito yung fortress kanina na tinuturo natin. Yung donjon. And, ayan. Pumasok tayo dito ngayon. Tingnan natin. Yung number 1 is naging bahay ni Louis XI. And then, yung number 2 is bahay ni Louis XIV. Yan. So, to the exact, kaya na lang magbasa. That's during the classical period. Ito yun. Yan yung number 1 na house. And, ito yung number 2. Medyo madami ding tao. Pero compare pag hindi holiday, mas madami pa dito. Kasi worth it din itong chateau na to. tutorial sila. Okay, so tapos na kami sa Chateau. Labas na kami. Merci, Chateau Vincennes. Merci, au revoir.
Tinataas.
Parang
Yun pala yung mark ko. Yung mga bakal.
ito yung pagdating na ikang kalaban, di ba?
Tataas ka para hindi makapasok.
Kaya sasara nila ito.
Mangat.
Okay, so tapos na kami sa Chateau Vincennes. Papunta kami sa Parc Floral. So we're doing what Parisians do best, ang tumanga. Maglakad-lakad sa kawalan. Ayun. Explore lang namin tong Parc Floral. Kung ano yung pwedeng makita. Ayun. So we're going inside of the Parc Floral. And merong ticket na €2.80 and €1.60 sa reduced price. So, ayun. Okay, so nasa loob na kami ng Parc Floral. So, since everything is closed, let nature be open for this Labor Day vlog. So, ayun. So, ito yung loob niya. So, bali, nagbukas to noong 1969 for a big botanical exhibit dito sa Paris. And they open it for public since then. Okay, so the park is actually at the Bois de Vincennes. So, it's inside the Vincennes Forest or Bois de Vincennes. Maganda dito pag spring. I think doon sa area na yun yung mga bulaklak nila. It's a very colorful garden. Let's see what we can explore. So it's giving chilling vibe and peaceful dito sa Parc Floral. So madami ding tao actually. Hanap ako ng water fountain. Ayun. Meron dun. Kuha ko ng tubig. Manguha ko ng tubig. This is, malinis to. So, kaya matakot. Malamig-lamig pa. Sarap. Ang chichismisan niya magkumare. So may restaurant dito sa loob ng park. Pilihan ng mga ice cream. Pero ang daming tao. Oh, may peacock pala dito.
Oh là là! Magnifique. Evie, regardez-moi. Regarde maman.
Wow. Wow. Ayan, so it's giving Baguio Botanical Garden. French version. Pero, ayun, we're not staying here for long. We're just gonna explore and then tapusin ko na yung vlog ko dito. Kasi babalik kami ng Paris to have a coffee.
A few moments later.
Grabe ang lakas ng ulan. Mga nabasa. Nakasakay na kami ng bus. Okay, so we're back here in Paris. Actually, umulan kanina nang palis kami ng Park Floral. So this is what I'm talking about. Nung sinabi kong sarado. This is a big mall here in the center of Paris. It's in Châtelet. So bukas lang yung transportation, pero yung mga boutique is totally closed. Ayan. Kasi pwedeng daanan to ng mga tao. I'm here at Châtelet. And since Labor Day, ito din pala yung mga days na allowed ang mga protest. Pero so far, wala pa naman ako nakikita nagpo-protesta. Nakita kami sa taas ng Châtelet. We're kinda looking for a place para mag-coffee, mag-dessert. 6 p.m. na and it's calling for happy hour. Parang uulan na dito sa Paris. Hulog na dito. Uulan na. Okay. Naalala ko na yung Xing Futang. Ewan ko, dito nga yun. Okay, so we find a place to vibe in. Ang mga basang sisiw. So, ayan. Magigite kami. It's milk teahan. Sarap yung milk tea nila dito. Okay, so we're here at Ite. If you want to go here, ito yung kanilang mga milk tea. So, yung layong kinukuha yun, yung Purple Rain. It's like taro milk tea. Super sarap. What did you have?
Mine is a souvenir. It's with the red beans and tapioca. Black sesame, may tapak siya. Ha?
Sarap. Nasang ube. Yun lagi ko in-order dito. Purple Rain. Yummy.
A night in the forest. This is good also. With the
good.
black sesame, cream cheese, fresh milk, and tapioca.
Yummy. Oo nga, may ano yung hininga mo? Amoy tahina. Bonjour, combien? 3 euros. Merci.
Ay, hindi ba nakita ka ganyan?
So this is a traditional flower every May 1st. This brings luck and happiness daw. So ayun.
Yeah, it smells so good. Lily of the Valley. Yeah, it's
In French it's muguet. Muguet.
Lily of the Valley. Yeah, so good.
Okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe on my vlog. So ayan, thank you for coming with us on my Labor Day vlog. See you on the next one. Bye! And this flower is for you.